How to turn on professional mode on Facebook. So let's get started. Firstly, on the mobile, launch the Facebook app on and simply log into your account. Once logged in, tap on your profile picture in the top left corner of your screen or any profile icon to open your profile. On your profile page, you can see 3 dot option available right next to the edit profile. Simply tap on it and it will open the profile settings. Now, once inside the profile settings, scroll down and look for the option like turn on professional mode or switch to professional mode. Now, simply tap on it and Facebook will ask you to confirm that you want to switch to professional mode. Simply tap on the turn on and follow the instructions to complete this process. Professional mode on Facebook is designed for users who want to build an audience, post content, and manage their presence more like a creator. If you found this video helpful, please like, share, and subscribe. And thank you so much for watching.